iKids.
Hi iKids! Today I have a fun activity for us to do. We're gonna color together. And if you wanna do this at home, the link will be down in the description. You can download it and print it out and you can do the exact same thing at home. So let me tell you what we're doing today. We have this picture of a penguin and we're gonna color it to show you how much God takes care of us and the animals that He created. Penguins live in really cold weather. And right now we're in December and it's starting to get cold outside too. And you might wonder, how is it that penguins stay warm, or how do they stay dry? Penguins can stay in water for as long as 5 months, and that's really cold water in Antarctica. But they have a lot of feathers really close together all over their body, and the feathers produce an oil that creates a waxy surface. We're going to be doing that same thing today with our crayons. The crayons will create a wax layer over our paper, and when we spray it with water, it won't go through the paper. Let's get going. Now, this is what I have so far, and typically I'd be done right here. But to make this work, you need to cover everything with enough wax. That means even the white parts. So now take a white crayon and cover all the white areas of the penguin. And make sure you put plenty of wax on it, okay? Here's my penguin. I've covered it all with crayons. The crayons are like the feathers, making that wax all over. And now it's time for the test. I have this spray bottle here and I put a little bit of food coloring in it so that I could see the water on the paper. You can do the same, put any color that you want inside of water in a little spray bottle. And now we're gonna spray our penguin. As you can see, the water created little dots on the penguin, but it didn't go through the paper. And the verse that it says on our paper says, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall lack nothing." Psalm 23:1. Just like God takes care of the penguins and He makes sure that they stay warm even when they live in cold weather, God takes care of us too, and He loves us too. Whatever it is that you have, good or bad, always pray to God and He'll take care of you and He'll give you everything that you need. I hope you had fun watching this activity and I hope that you try it at home and tag us on social media at IKids.IChurch. Bye!